This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain PayPal's 21-day hold. This temporary hold on funds is a common practice, especially for new sellers or those with infrequent sales. It's designed to ensure transactions are completed smoothly and to protect both buyers and sellers from potential issues. Understanding why it happens is the first step to managing it effectively. To get your funds sooner, there are a few simple steps you can take. Always add tracking information to your PayPal transaction as soon as you ship the item. For services or digital goods, mark the order as processed. Clear communication with your buyer, confirming receipt, can also help expedite the release process. The release timeline for your funds depends on the transaction type. For physical goods with tracking, funds are typically released 3 days after delivery confirmation. If you're selling digital goods or services, the hold usually lifts after 7 days. Otherwise, if no issues arise, the funds will automatically become available after 21 days. To prevent future holds, focus on building a strong selling history. Consistently provide excellent customer service and respond promptly to any inquiries. Avoid sudden, large increases in your sales volume, as this can sometimes trigger security reviews. A consistent, positive track record will help PayPal recognize you as a reliable seller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.